Hello children, how are you doing? Have you ever felt that you worked hard for years together but success didn't happen to you? If the answer is yes, I would like to say that in that case you don't know about the bamboo rule. Let me share it with you. Bamboo rule says that success doesn't happen overnight. Like a bamboo tree, it doesn't grow above the ground for 4 to 5 years. Sometimes people think that the plant has stopped growing, it has become dead, and they even try to uproot it, to throw it away. Whereas the bamboo root is growing under the ground, is strengthening its roots. और अगर 4 to 5 years तक बैम्बू प्लांट को ऐसे ही रहने दिया जाए तो आफ्टर 5 years, विद इन अ वीक्स, मे बी विद इन 90 days और सो, इट्स प्लांट ग्रोज बाय मैनी फीट. इसकी प्लांट की हाइट जो है कई फीट हो जाती है विद इन few weeks or within 90 days or so after initial 4 to 5 years. The bamboo plant had not become dead, had not stopped showing any growth. Yes, growth was not visible, but it was growing under the ground. It was strengthening its roots. इसी तरह से जो भी आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं या करते हैं, it never goes waste. Every hour of study, every hour of practice is preparing you for your future. If you don't clear a particular test, exam, competitive test, whatever, you didn't fail. You are rather preparing for your future. तो जब भी आपके मन में ऐसे डिस्करेजिंग, डिप्रेसिंग, डीमोटिवेटिंग थॉट्स आए तो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस बैम्बू रूल, which always motivates you, which always compels you to keep working hard but consistently without waiting for the quick results, because weak minds always chase the quick results, whereas the consistent and the strong minds always chase the slow results, the slow growth, like the bamboo tree. So always keep in your mind that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes years and years of hard work, of consistent work, of consistent efforts, like the bamboo tree, which doesn't show a single visible sign of growth for initial 4 to 5 years. And then after 5th year, within weeks, it grows by many feet in height. तो लोग हैरान हो जाते हैं कि जो बैम्बू प्लांट, बैम्बू ट्री डेड पड़ा हुआ था 4-5 साल से, वो अचानक कैसे ग्रो कर गया. वो अचानक से ग्रो नहीं किया. वो बैम्बू ट्री जो था अपनी रूट्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहा था. तो जब उसकी रूट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई तभी उसकी ग्रोथ आपको दिखाई दी. तो इसी तरह से जो भी आप एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं वो वेस्ट नहीं जा रहे हैं. दे आर टेकिंग यू, दे आर पेविंग योर वे टूवर्ड्स योर फ्यूचर ऑफ सक्सेस एंड ग्लोरी. तो अगर आपको ये हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक इट, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल EduTalk with Asha Mittal, because I feel and believe that success happens when the guidance is right. Hope you understand. Thank you. God bless you.